Okay, today we discuss about the potential energy of an object at the height from chapter number 11, work and energy. So here it is also known as the gravitational potential energy. So what is gravitational potential energy? So for that, the work done in raising an object from the ground to certain height against the gravity is called gravitational potential energy. Again I repeat, the work done in raising an object from the ground to a certain height against the gravity is called gravitational potential energy. Let us consider an object of mass m. This is one object, it should be kept on the ground. Its mass is m, and let it can be raised through a height h from the ground. A force is required to do this. The minimum force required to raise the object is equal to the weight of the object mg. Let the work done on the object against the gravity is w. Now as we know that the work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Force multiplied by displacement. Now force F is equal to mg and displacement is equal to h. Okay, so w is equal to mgh. Now here the work done on the object is equal to the mgh, and this is the potential energy of the object. So EP is equal to mgh, where EP is the potential energy, m is the mass of an object, g is the gravity, and h is the height. So EP is equal to mgh. EP means potential energy of the object is EP is equal to mgh. Now here work done, we consider the work done by the gravity depends on the difference in vertical heights of the initial position as well as final position of the object. The work done does not depends on the path along which the object is moved. As shown in the figure, you have to observe that case 1 and case 2, that is path 1 and path 2. A block is raised from position A to position B. Okay, in path 1 as well as in path 2, a block is raised from position A to position B by taking two different paths. Let the height AB is equal to h. Let height AB is equal to h. In both the cases, in both the path 1 and path 2, the work done on the object is mgh. Okay, so the work done by the gravity depends on the difference in vertical heights of the initial position as well as final position. Okay, the work done does not depends on the path along which the object is moved. Okay, in both the cases, in both the path, the work done will be same. Okay, now let us take example 11.5. Find the energy possessed by an object of mass 10 kg when it is at the height of 6 meter above the ground. Given value g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now here given the mass is will be given, that is 10 kg, displacement, that is height, is given h equal to 6 meter, and acceleration due to the gravity, that is g value is given 9.8 meter per second square. Now as we know that the potential energy EP is equal to mgh, EP is equal to mgh. So m is equal to 10, g is equal to 9.8, and h is value given 6. So 10 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 6, we obtain the answer 588 joule, because the SI unit of energy is joule. SI unit of energy is joule. Now next example 11.6. An object of mass 12 kilogram is at the certain height above the ground. If the potential energy of the object is 480 joule, find the height at which the object is with respect to the ground, and given the value g is equal to 10.10 meter per second square. So here the mass of an object 12 kilogram given, potential energy Ep is equal to 480 joule given, and value of g 10 meter per second square will be given, and we have to calculate the height h. Now as we know that potential energy Ep is equal to mgh. Okay, potential energy Ep is equal to mgh. Potential energy will be given 480 joule, mass is given 12, g value 10, and h we have to calculate. So h is equal to 480 divided by 12 multiplied by 10. 0 0 cut. So 12 4 ja 48. So answer h equal to 4 meter. So the object is at the height of 4 meter. Now next point, that is, are various energy forms interconvertible? Are various energy forms interconvertible? So as we know that is in nature a number of instances of conversion of energy from one form to another form. Let us consider that is electric heater. Okay, electric gadget, electric heater, electric energy convert into heat energy. Electric cell, electric energy convert, that is it produces that is solar energy convert into electrical energy. Okay, electric motor. Okay, electric motor, electric energy convert into mechanical energy. Okay, iron, we take example iron. So electric energy convert into heat energy. Electric bulb. Okay, electric bulb, electric energy convert into light energy. Okay, fan, we take example fan. So electric energy convert into mechanical energy. So a number of instances can be found in nature where there is conversion of energy from one form to another form. Let us take activity 11.13. We have to sit in small groups and discuss the various ways of energy conversion in nature. Discuss the following question in your group. First question, that is how do green plants produce food? How do green plants produce food? Now as we know that the green leaves of plants use solar energy, okay, to make their food through the process of photosynthesis. Okay, the green leaves of plants use solar energy to make their food through the process of photosynthesis. Second question, where do they get their energy from? So the green plants get energy from the sun. Question C, why does the air move from place to place? Why does the air move from place to place? The surface of the earth and the surrounding air gets heated up due to the solar energy, and as a result the difference in pressure is created at various places on the earth, and due to this difference in pressure air moves from place to place. Next question D, how are fuels such as coal and petroleum formed? Now as we know that the millions of years ago the remains of plants and animals got buried under the earth crust. Due to the various actions, high pressure and high temperature, they got buried and converted into the fossil fuels like the coal and petroleum. Then next question E, what kind of energy conversion sustain the water cycle? Solar energy causes evaporation of the water in oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, as well as trees. The water vapor forms clouds. The condensation of water vapor causes rainfall. The water stored in dams possesses potential energy. The flowing water in rivers possesses kinetic energy, and this can be changed into electrical energy at hydroelectric plant.